Hi everyone, my name is Kate and welcome to my channel. So if you're one of those people that are tired of eating porridge every day, or maybe you just don't like sweet breakfasts so much, that video is definitely for you. I prepared 3 really great recipes that are savory and very satisfying. And before we begin, just please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And also, if you ever tried those recipes, please comment down below. I would love to know how you like them. And now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what do you think? Are you going to try any of those? If so, you can already find all the recipes up in the website that is linked up here or in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. It helps loads. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!